morning, everyone. Yeah. So you would have noticed we are in Wadawara to catch a bullet train to go to Hiroshima. This is day 6 of our Japan trip. Welcome all you back to explore Japan. So we're gonna do the Japan Hiroshima 3 hours bullet train and see the experience, how it's. Two-story Japanese building, Japanese houses. Even on the bridge, no reducing speed, just keep going at 280. So we have alighted in a place and we are waiting to board to Hiroshima, which is another 6 or 7 minutes away. I went for a coffee and Akari. This place is called Akari, and I see all the big camera places up there. Got 3 more minutes for the train. You're good. Just wanted to show the train how it looks. It's insane. looking for past 600, 700, 600 kilometers. It's industries everywhere, and it's mix of modernized industry plus agriculture. There's not much agriculture here, but the one before there was a lot of agriculture in the front and industry at the back. All major industries. They are effectively using the waste waters. We'll explore a little bit later. You can see that's a fish farming. Yeah, farming here, a little bit farming. Some sort of refineries at the back. Fish farming. Hi. We have reached Hiroshima, and we just check into our hotel, which is up there, Comfort Hotel. Looking for a restaurant to have some meal. There is my Toyota Crown. We'll have some meal and explore Hiroshima. Hiroshima has got tram service. That's good to have a tram service. So now we know where we are. After lunch, we are just coming to visit the War Memorial, the Peace Memorial first. That's the story. That's the building which was lying. That's what it was saying in the description. We'll go see the. Look, what is he doing here?
Thing away just to.
But they know everything. Okay? They are member of the organization. They ಅವರೇನು ಬಂದು ಬೇಕಂತ ವಾರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ವಾರಾಗಿ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ವಾರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್. ರೀಡ್ tragic story. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಕಂದೆ ಗುಡಿಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಕೈ.
I'm sorry.
Too gentle.
I can see, it's not Hindi, it's written in Sanskrit. Let me read. Dasha disha disha se pravajina madhye supra Pishbhu Bhagavan Pranetya Bahut Shorokshaha Mahashiya Balapradru Lokanayak Vipula Prabha Pratyushnatam Nayaha Deshi Vidishi Supori Sarva Bhushnajeya Raga Prashime Sarvide Darshanam ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಥರ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಓದಿಸೋದಿಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲೇ. Very nice, maintained. Record ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Let's see how it comes. It's Hiroshima Bank. ನನಗೂ ಅದೇ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಪರ್ತ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಪರ್ತ್. It's the crossing, the bird's noise. Another shrine in Hiroshima. What sort of god is there? I don't know. It's nice. ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಡ್ರಾಮಾ. ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋದು ಅದು. ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದು ಕೈ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. What did I see? I see a McDonald's delivery van, bike, scooter, whatever you call it as. It's a single engine auto, rickshaw. It's a McDonald's delivery van. We came in for an evening walk. It's very nice. It's getting a very good sunset. We want to see the sunset on the river. What sort of river is this? Let's search and I'll get back in a minute. Looks a very nice river. Japanese people are fond of cycling. You see more cycle than the cars. They maintain very nice. This is a maple. It's changing its colors. came all the way to look at the sunset on this bridge. Look at that wonderful view of Hiroshima. I want to see all the places where no other people who are visit. In river area, Kabushi. Okay, yes, we are walking on the banks of Kabushi River in Hiroshima and saw the sunset in the before video. Now we are heading back, but it looks very nice on the sunset. And it's getting dark, but still we are still walking. Look at the views. It's wonderful out there. Wonderful views. It's twilight setting. The bridge there, Mayoki Bridge, or the track or the walk, where we've gone. People still jogging around the river. And this is shopping mall. I don't know what it is. It says you and me, or you me. And still walking. In some final one video. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ You can see petrol is much cheaper in Japan than in our Australia. It's 174 yens, which is pretty much equivalent to 174 cents. And we've seen a wonderful sunset, and we are nearly finishing off today's walk, which we have done only 4 kilometers and a bit. Still, it was wonderful. We saw Hiroshima under lights, which was very good, and we'll catch up sometime tomorrow morning. Bye.